Oh, sudah mulai rupanya. Halo, bersama gue lagi, Techno, GaGaP. Kembali bersama gue dengan memainkan game baru namanya Nekopara VOL.2. Nah, di sini Nekopara ini merupakan game Jepang, anime Jepang. Mungkin bentuknya seperti visual novel dengan gambarnya yang imut-imut seperti ini, wajahnya imut-imut, memakai kostum maid. Di sini ada beberapa opsi, ada extra config, data load, game start. Alangkah baiknya kita konfigurasi dulu aja. Ada game setting, effect sound, voice setting, text display speed kita pentokin, ini juga pentokin biar cepat. Terus yang ini bahasanya ada bahasa Jepang, bahasa Inggris, sama bahasa Cina. Tapi gue akan memilih yang bahasa Inggris tentunya. Kalau misalkan gue milih yang Jepang, gak akan bisa baca gue kayak gini. Gue nggak tahu. Dan juga kayak gini. Ini apa artinya? BGM doang yang tahu. Oke, jadi pilih yang bahasa Inggris aja kali ya. Kalau effect and sound ada chest bounciness. Di sini tanpa muluk-muluk, pentokin aja. Jadi dilihat agak boing-boing kan. Voice di sini gue akan pakai suara gue sendiri. Karakternya gue dubbing ulang, jadinya kita kurangin BGM, kita kurangin sedikit, sound effect juga. Oke, sip. Voice setting ada Coca-Cola, vanilla, maple, cinnamon, azuki, coconut, Shigure. Coca-Cola suaranya kayak gini. Oh, belum ini ya. Voice-nya karena gue kecilin. Oh, seperti itu.
Nekopara Volume 2 Shimai Neko no Shukure.
Vanilla.
Nekopara Volume 2 Nekopara Volume 2 Nekopara Volume 2 Nekopara Volume 2 Shimai Neko no Shukure.
Biasa dong lo. Seiyunya galak amat.
Nekopara Volume 2 Shimai Neko no Shukure.
Coconut dan Shigure.
Nekopara Volume 2 Shimai Neko no Shukure.
Oke. Efek soundnya voice-nya kita matiin aja karena memakai dubbing gue sendiri. Oke, selanjutnya kita langsung game start aja. Patisserie La Soleil. Hello and welcome to La Soleil. Meow. Kalau di sana namanya nyebutnya bukan Mio harusnya. Mereka nyebutnya Nyan, seperti itu ya. Welcome to our store. Will you be dining with us today? Or will you be getting something to take home? Dining for two, this way please. I'll be right back with the menus. Please wait a moment. I recommend Vinny Earl Grey. It's my favorite, and I personally ordered it for the shop. So you can't go wrong with it. If you would like cake, I suggest the fruit short cake. It will go perfectly with Earl Grey. Coconut. We have 3 cakes for delivery. Could you go get them from Nisama? Right away, Shigure-sama. Leave the heavy lifting to me. Azuki, you're in charge of tying the gift wrap ribbon of the cake box. Where's the pen? Alright, I got it. Looks like we're gonna run out of the ribbon. Mereka kehabisan bando. Jadi mereka bingung pakai apa. Nice, whatever I used this last should have at last put in and order for more. Welcome back. For two, right this way, please. Cinnamon, could you get some Earl Grey too? Okay, I'll just head over to Castle Sun then. Let's all open and buzzing with guests again today. Okay, blog posted. It looks like there's some customer waiting outside already, so I'll go and organize the line, Shigure-sama. We're almost out of change too. Seriously? Is the cashier even paying attention? Soon after last I opened it, with summer just around the corner. The sofa had become known as the cat girl patisserie and had joined the rank of the town's most popular shops. Kaso, suara cowok ah? Not quite what I was expecting, but whatever. I was pretty worried about how busy we were for a while. But thanks to Shigure's excellent management, things are running smoothly, and we're flourishing. Nisama, we have another online order. I'll write it on the schedule. Oh, di sini ada gambar tangan, gunanya untuk keplakin palanya, keplakin, nggak bisa dikeplak. Ini ngelus rambut doang, keplak nggak bisa. Jadi di sini diraba-raba doang kayaknya. Ada Shigure di sini, lambang Shigure. Oke, aku sentuh sini dikit, sentuh. sentuh. Oke. Gua toyor pala. Oke. Nisama, we have another online order. I'll write it on the schedule. This means we already hit half this month quota. Congratulations. It's all because of you, Shigure. Thanks. I don't really get internet of all that, so having you here really helps. So, it's nothing. Our success all because your cake are so delicious, Nisama. But if you could grant selfish little request of mine, could you hug me tightly and compliment me as a brother to his younger sister? If that's all, I'll do it as much as you want. Nisama. Aduh. Okay. She started purring. I like cat girl as she clings to me. Shigure, my little sister, is sure a cute little thing. I'll throw a free hat pet for her. I've just updated the blog, so we should be getting some more hit. We're getting a lot of views just uploading picture of our wonderful cat girl. Doing advertising would be this easy. Nisama, it won't be long until the seller makes its debut on the world stage. Ho 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 ho. My little sister neck for business does. Business, sure, is scary. Thus Shigure Stanley has been exceptional at managing our online presence. The thought of expanding globally had never even crossed my mind. I just nodded along with her for now. Everything calmed down out from yet. We're still very busy, but we're not, Nisama. Have a look for yourself. I peeled through the window into the shop to see how it's going. Wah, ini kayaknya yang galak tadi deh, kayak si Azuki ini. Oke, kita ganti suaranya pakai ini aja kali. Hey, so funny. One of you get the dishes and attention out, and out of you we set the table. If you could talk up with helping customers, things gonna start falling apart over here. Roger that, Azunyan. Azunyan itu harusnya di Keon. Ada Azunyan. Namanya Azuki, Azunyan juga. Oh my god. Okay, I'll do this too. Oh, dia kayaknya pengatur nih, orang pengatur di luar, kayaknya ada pengatur di sesi luarnya. Well, mate, could you bring that tea along with the cake? Mancina broke out. Mancina? Man taking over the register? I'll head up and let's not take a break. Oh, yeah, as you wish. Bergelantung kan seperti ini. Towel. Yes, ma'am. Suara gue sorak ini. Was Azuki always this competent of cat girl? She accomplishes her own tasks while delegating work to the other, and they all simply for her lead. From behind, I was her for working diligently, with that always laid back attitude of her. Well, she's technically oldest of cat girl. She used to keeping an eye on everyone. Everyone got older and more independent now. But when they were still young, I made sure to look after them all. She may slack off when you or I'm around, but Azuki's a cat girl will set herself when things come down a bit. Now that you mention it, she was always good taking care of everyone. Tough. Azuki was quite a handful up until just last year. I thought she became a little of a cat girl all of a sudden, but maybe it's because she doesn't have to look after the other as much anymore. Perhaps having to do force her to develop a sense of independence. Azuki is a smart cat girl after all. Cat girls have their own way of thinking, huh? I continue to watch Azuki as she works in the cafe. Okay, admiring. Sorry, begitu. Admiring her parent hold his child. I need to cut the cake for take out into individual slice. Oh, itu suaranya bagus buat Vanilla, jadi suara kayak hantu-hantu gitu. Oh, coconut. Ini sih matanya biru dan kuning. Suara pakai suara apa ya? Alright, want me to take care of the dead before I take my break? Hey, Nuts! I taught you before, but you're really clumsy. You don't need to push yourself, okay? I just saw your butt over the break room. I don't need to push myself. Did you really just say that? It is coming from someone who can grab Tupperware from the really high shelf. Yeah, the little stream was then on her TP. Thus the grab stop. If you didn't drop something and it breaks. What if you drop something and it breaks? Mereka berantem. Sabar ya. Towel juga tuh. Gak bisa ditowel. Jangan sabar. Mata lo gue colok. Jangan marah-marah. Mata lo gue colok juga. Oke, sabar. What was that? It is in me becomes my bed. Didn't you learn anything from the test to get your awesome bell? I don't want to hear that from you when you can barely talk like a normal person, Azuki. You wanna fight? Let's go right here, right now. Oh, you seem to wish you for all too. You want me to make you grind middle of the bakery. Bring it on, little hair. I'll take you down with a punch. Oh, like ever haven't been hit by a single one of you so-called cat girl punch. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Yo. Yo. Hancur kafenya. Bayangin kalau karyawan berantem seperti itu. Parah. Seperti itu mungkin bagus. Stop it, you too. Guys can see you. But Azuki. But not. No buts. The fault lies with both of you. Yeah. I remember when Nachan could call Azuki on Nachan. They were close among all of us, weren't they? When did they become so quick to bat ahead? It really annoying. Annoying. What the? Conflict is born only between the similar party. There's nothing we can do. Everyone got used to it, but I'd rather save it until after work. The guests don't seem to mind it at all. Maybe they'll stop fighting when they grow up a bit more. What's the matter, you mean? Can human different ways of growing? Do they now? Yes, they do. Since you're so sure about it, it has made me curious. I suppose she is the one who raised the 6 cat girl after all. Fine. I'm going to take my break then. Yeah. We're expecting Russ later, so better take your break, you big lamats. Tabrak anjir. Oh, what the hell? Oh, sorry about that. You were so small. Katain kecil, parah banget. You were so small, I couldn't see you, my bad. Berantem lagi. Nah itu, I'm still to get very hungry. Patachugi, not nuts. They're going to get a bit today, aren't they? I don't mean going at in the way it's not like that, okay? Cinnamon, could you stop? I don't want people thinking I want to associate with you. Master, let's make me chocolate cake for GaGaP, fresh from the oven. You sure where is she going, my beloved coconut? Look, everyone, the bakery is still open, okay? Well, I suppose I shouldn't. This too broken tree too. Alright, let's go, chop. Oh, di foto. Shigure, hey, this is invasion of privacy, stop taking picture. Please, Shigure-sama, not like this, yeah. A few minutes later, our block is counter-jumped, as jumped by leaps and bounds. I still don't get how we're so popular. The more overdose stuff, I once again admire Shigure management skill. Oh, udah masuk chapter 2 kah? Kayaknya sih begitu. Cuman alangkah baiknya chapter 2 ini kita lanjutkan besok aja kali ya. Sampai di sini dulu kesempatan kali ini. Kalau mau like, subscribe, atau komen, silahkan tulis di bawah. Apapun saran dan kritik kita terima dengan baik. Oke, selamat jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.